All right, what's going on, y'all? Let's uh, let's get it popping. I want to know a little bit more about this company, so I'm gonna dig into it. Yeah, I understand they have pretty big broadband and 5G exposure. So they do a lot of stuff with smartphones. Okay. Hmm. Company. Here we go. Uh, 2021. I guess that wasn't too long ago. Revenue looks good. Growing. Net zero sustainability. Trying to be clean. Like it. Okay, well, they have a ton of products. Pretty intensive pipeline. So quite interesting. Financials. 200 billion market cap. 33 billion revenue. This year they're looking at like 33 to 35 maybe. About the same. Net income. Maybe about the same as well. They've been around for a while. What is this? This was their last earnings push. Right here. It's a big jump up. So they do have earnings tomorrow after hours. Growth looks good, consistent. Very similar to last year. What makes it valued at, the valuation of this company? They seem to have a lot of investors. So good volume. $48 million on their earnings after earnings, or the day of earnings probably. Could see it with good earnings kind of pop off, test like all-time highs again. Because I mean, where did they at? 177. Let's check the 190s. Edlaw, you said what does the red candle mean on the jump up? You're talking about over here? It means when you have gaps like this, right here, just blank gaps, those are jump ups either pre-market or after hours when the market's not open. So like, you know, my guess is after hours here. So on the 21st, they had their earnings after hours. So the next day market opens and, you know, they're somewhere in this zone. So they could have opened up here, ran up to here that day, and then finished here. Oh, the bottom one. That's your volume. So when you see it high like that, so if you go over here, that's probably another one that's 46 million. Exactly. 48 million. It seems like they'd get a lot of volume after earnings. Volatility 95%. I'm interested to add it to my watch list for the week. Week out. Do something like 200 on the watch list. See, look at the volatility on this one compared to the one the week before. Shouldn't it be green? Not if the day finishes red. So what happens is they probably opened up somewhere high and then they finished the day red. Well, I guess I don't know. I don't know too much about that. So yeah, you got me. Their consensus is 277, and that's a big time growth over last year. So that's huge as well. That's a big drop from last year. TMO. Big company. Highly invested. Jeez. Hey dude, what's good? Just winding down. I think I heard something in the news about Thermo Fisher. Their website is kind of cluttery. This is a fucking big company. They got too much shit to look over. Seems like they do a lot of production of researching equipment. In their own research as well. Wow. I couldn't even tell you, like, know where to look here. Yeah. Anyways, wow. Pretty big valuation. Pretty high. I mean, if they're not meeting last year's expectations, you know, like, catch them up on the way down. Around 40. Now revenue's up for this year. Net income's up, so their profit margin should be good too. Yeah. Numbers look great. It could be beating last year. Maybe they had a really, really strong fourth quarter last year. Wonder why their consensus forecast is so low. I mean, their quarter four last year was really high, but for this year, they've kind of blown out, like kept up with their 2020 financials. So their earnings are pre-market, so I mean, just keep an eye on it, I guess. See what it does. That's a pretty big deal. Going out of debt. Suncor Energy. Isn't that Suncoke, I think? SU? Suncor? No, I was thinking of something else. They had a really wild ride today. Look at that. Okay, so what do we got going on here? 37.0. Pretty much all-time highs. COVID crash. It bounced back nicely. Let's learn about them. Oil, gas, natural gas. Worldwide. Okay. I'll check that out in 1 second. That's not good for 2020. They did something wrong. And then they came out. That looks great, yeah. Wow, okay, so they're back to like, yeah. Good rebound. Big time. Yeah. $41 billion market cap, so their revenue is like not even 1x. It's like 32 estimate. They have dividends as well. Big day for them. Yeah, pretty big day for them. They have weekly expirations. You don't see that very often with these smaller companies. Low volatility. I want to see with the 32 on the February 11th. I'm gonna add that to my watch list. We'll check it out. SPLK, Splunk. Oh, picked the wrong one. What a name. This is one funny name for a company. Splunk base, okay. Join the Splunk squad. Okay. Partners are great. Wonder how good their security is. Okay. Time highs are what? 225? That was... They're in that run up. Looks like a bottom here. Breaking the bottom, but they stabilized. Oh, Google's going to the moon tomorrow. Yeah. It's not even their earnings, it's their news on the 20-to-1 split. They're just gonna drive a lot of investors in. And I wouldn't be surprised if we saw at least 3,100 tomorrow. I definitely think it can go up another $100 easy. But for Google at their market valuation, what is $100 on 3,000? Like 1% or something like that. So I don't know. I like this chart. Blue Money. It's they had a bottom here, right? Double bottom. Then they sold off. Almost broke 100. Let's look at the numbers. 19 billion market cap. 2 billion revenue. Net income is getting worse. And by worse, I mean of the year 2020, 900 million. And then here in just the first quarter of 2021, 471 million. So almost half of that in just one quarter. So they're at negative 1 billion, right? No, they're just like, yeah. 2 point, they're staying the same with the revenue. Yeah, I know they're already 3,000. Wow. I don't know. Let's chart looks ugly. You got your COVID crash right here, right? Broke 100. And they ran up, double top. Look at earnings right here. That is one crazy gap. 200 to 152, so $50. Yeah, wow. Looks like they ran today, testing the last high. Testing it. I don't know. I see they could be downtrending again, and like I think they're gonna stay in this area for a little bit longer. I don't think they're gonna break out. Not with these numbers. Jeez. They need some sort of catalyst. Some good news. If they break 125, then I could see them running a little bit higher to, you know, 135, 140. But where can we see their lows at? Sub 100. They have definitely a lot of stability right here in this zone. That right there is like their stability line overall. Yeah, see, exactly, it matches up. So if they fall under that, it's not gonna look good. I don't know about Boeing. See what airlines are doing. I don't know if this is gonna continuation. Seems like the airlines are just gonna be kind of stabilizing for now. I wouldn't, like, airlines and Boeing, they have a lot of like investors, whales and stuff like that, and just very private sectors that, you know, that's where they get most of their money, and that's what pushes the company. So it's just not like, I don't know, I don't see anything happening. I can see this, like this zone right here for United Airlines, you know, boom, 48, but I don't see them going past 48. And you know, Boeing moves the same way, so seems like it's lower. I could see them, you know, I could see them running up to like 225. I could see them running up to 225 and then falling back down for a new low. That's just my opinion, because it's like they're having this kind of stability downtrend, and of course right here that did not look good. Their last earnings, I saw that on paper. I was just like, oh, -4 billion. They're high market cap too, so they're not too high, only half, only double of their revenue. Wonder what FedEx did with UPS doing well. They jumped too today. That's funny. Yeah. You got it in market open. They're up 11%. PayPal. just shake my head at PayPal. Dude, no way. UPS is a solid company. They crush their earnings. So, wow, look at that candle. That's awesome. I think they're gonna create new stability right here. I wouldn't see them going under 220. I mean, they might test all-time highs as a bottom. So like, I would say like that right there is like their new bottom, like 220. So, you know, wait for another green day, test like, you know, see if they can run a little bit more, catch them on the way down. But I think they have a new stability zone. They could run a little bit higher. 200 billion market cap. Yeah, 20, 40, 60, 80. Yeah, that looks good. They're definitely a solid company too. The demand for like truck drivers and stuff is pretty like much needed right now. So labor and shortage, I don't know if they have answered that yet, but yeah, PayPal is dead. Amazon. Amazon is gonna kill earnings too, I think. This is my opinion, right? Oh, actually, I don't know. So what did they do 2020? 386 billion. So 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 400. Like 440. Their revenue is going to be like 440 billion maybe. So yeah, that's good. Over 2020, that's good. 21 billion net income. 310. 18, 19, 28, right? So yeah, net income's great too. I think, yeah. So this, I think, treat Amazon as you would with Google. But I'm not saying that because of what Google's doing. You know, big market caps like this, I'm interested. Hold on. 1.5 trillion. Jeez. 386 billion. So 440 billion. Goog. What up, Goog? 1.8 trillion. Okay. 182 revenue. 6. Yeah, so... You know what would be sick? Hear me out. Hear me out. Amazon talks about a stock split in their forecasted earnings. I swear to God, dude. Wouldn't that be some shit? Honestly, the numbers of Amazon look better than Google. Both just mammoth companies. I like Google, you know, for like a lot of their services and stuff, but Amazon is just like, you know, they have so much more going on for them than just merch. They buy companies and stuff, so and plus, let's just mark their low right here. Okay, let's just do that real quick. They bounced right there, so one hell of a bounce. No, I'm not doing BNGO. It's like a, what, therapeutics or something? or in an NMDM and stuff like that, that's just a waste of money, man. You want a good company that is in the health sector, invest in GSK, invest in AbbVie. Don't invest in BNGO, don't invest in NMDM. They only move on catalyst, and they only move on momentum through Reddit. Okay, back to Amazon. So, wow, I really like what's going on here. So what is their all-time highs right here at 3,700? I could see them. Don't tell me this is like a Thursday after hours earnings report. February 3rd. Oh shit. Oh shit. But look at this. Look at their hold on. I gotta check something. Ooh. What? The hell is that? Wait a second. Yeah, no problem, Jamie. Or Jamney. What the fudge? These don't really... This doesn't really make sense compared to, like, looking at this. I feel like that shit's scuffed. I feel like their consensus is just scuffed somehow. Doesn't make any sense. So I guess what are we looking at? Last year, right here. 2021, right here. Or not 2021, 2020, right here. So almost 3,500. You know what? I might move this down here. I wouldn't be surprised that if they missed earnings and consensus. Consensus looks horrible compared to last year, so I'm still trying to wrap my mind around it. It looks like it's the revenue and the net income are better than 2020. So I'm just trying to figure out why. Huh. Wouldn't it be some shit? Wouldn't it be some shit? So this is a Thursday after hours lotto. I mean, it would be insane if they sold off that much. 27.15. I just want to look at 27.15. Gonna add that to my watch list. But I'm also going to add 3,200 to my watch list. There's no way it could sell off like that. Amazon is weird. Like, their numbers look great from last year, but I don't know. 5% out of the money. So what did Google run? Like 8%? Like maybe 10% all day. Maybe 3,400. Add that to our watch list. I just want to see what the premium is on Thursday during Power Hour for these two plays. It'd be quite interesting. Taishan, travel sector. Not looking good for planes, but I like cruise ships right now. I do like cruises. I think they're gonna bounce back by September. Plus, they're already just going. Let's go. Get on a boat. Go on vacation. Alright, we'll look at PayPal. So this is not updated, so what are they at right now? Like 37 or something like that? 52-week lows? 44. Okay. So they're chilling at... Chilling at right there. That's where they're chilling. And that line matches with the stability of this area. And before COVID, they were only priced at 125. I mean, yeah, they barely missed, right? $21 billion, 4.2. Yeah, I mean, they're definitely sold off big time. I think it's kind of gonna act like Netflix, you know, like, you know, you barely miss earnings, sells off right here, and then, you know, it'll create like a new stability zone between, like, you know, 140 to 200, and just kind of go up and down. Be hard for them to break it. Yeah, I mean, PayPal is fucking dead. Oh, why am I holding a call? Oops. Why didn't I sell my call at 230%? Because I had to. I sold one and rolled one in for a lotto. Oh well. Oh well. What do I think about Facebook? You mean Meta platforms? Not sure. I think they're gonna kill earnings, but what does the market want to do with them? Yeah, puts on PayPal were very expensive premiums. I like just 150% volatility. So even if you like went in the money, I mean, you would have made money, but if you were out of the money by tomorrow, you probably wouldn't have been profitable. Facebook's running really nice though. So I think they're gonna open up right here. Or I think they're already there, right? Close to 3. I think they're at 330 or something like that. Yeah, they're at 330. Ran $11 after hours. Holy shit. That's big. Honestly, tomorrow could be like good earnings, but like a big sell-off. As far as like 2021 and 2020, they're blowing 2020 out of the water. Like it looks good, and I mean they've changed their platform and stuff like that. So moving forward, I think Facebook looks good right now. But let's look at some Thursday pre-market. Some stuff you can be like, yeah, you can get in tomorrow as a rollover. I already looked through it. I already looked through Wednesday earnings. At least the large caps, like these guys. I don't do this very often, so let me know if y'all are enjoying yourself, you like the stream. Yeah, give me a thumbs up, and yeah, subscribe so you can catch my old VODs and stuff like that whenever I go live. I usually try to do themes, and tonight is kind of like chat requests, so I'm giving y'all an opportunity to ask what you want to see, and something I've never done before. Yeah, let's look at Thursday pre-market. Merck, right? They did the COVID pill. Honeywell. Yeah. Unilever. Didn't they just run recently? I'm interested in them because they did something. They were like trying to yeah, they sold off and they ran up a little bit. I like Sony. I really like Sony. Their numbers look good. And they're trying to compete with Microsoft, so they're doing well by buying Bungie. Smart, very, very smart. So their earnings are February 10th. They don't show their quarterly. It's bullshit. And sale of consumer goods. Yeah, I'm not interested in this company. Ford Motor Company, pre-market on Thursday. Well, I like Ford right now. I do. I think Ford has some kind of secrets that they're not telling the people about. This is like some old lines. This is when I first started like drawing lines back when I started trading. So don't pay attention to that. But since they broke out of my high, we don't have to draw any more lines. So let's just, as long as they don't fall under that. You know, I think Ford, I wouldn't be surprised if they kind of stuck around this zone for earnings, like, you know, 22 to 23. I don't see them pushing up here. But I think earnings are going to be a good showcase for them. Companies with the truck, like, they had to be like, we can't have people buy the truck anymore because it's sold out. That itself is a big deal. So they're trying to ramp up production on their not Cybertruck or whatever, but the Ford F-150 EV. Looks way better than the Cybertruck. They're kind of doing some like undisclosed investments with battery companies that's going to be huge really soon. So a couple companies are doing that, like BMW, same company with Solid Power. So I think that itself, with good earnings, and then, you know, 22 to 23, I like Ford right now. I would look for tomorrow. I would look for a dip on Ford. I'd go like February 18th. Yeah, I bought a contract for February 11th, 22. But I'd go like February 18th and try to buy like a contract, you know, between 21 and 2150, 2250 right here for the 18th. Buy that on a dip tomorrow, and I think that's a solid investment with Ford. Definitely make some money off that. I don't think we're gonna see, like, they've already proven stability right here. You know, falling down to 18, that was rough. But yeah, Google Split is lit. It's lit. People are gonna eat those shares up at 136. Be like, I can afford Google. DraftKings, I'm waiting for them to hit 24, and then I'm gonna short them. That's me. They might hit 24 tomorrow. DKNG. Oh shit, they might break out of my downtrend. Oh my gosh, are they gonna do it? Will they do it tomorrow? They break 24 tomorrow. Could be going to the moon. Nah, I don't think so. I think tomorrow they're gonna test this line, this downtrend line. You know, they might like candle wick above it. I think, like, I'm gonna wait for them to get the 24 tomorrow, and then I'm gonna short it, because I think they're gonna continue the downtrend right here until earnings, because they have to prove a point. So I don't think they're gonna reach this last stability zone. I think they're in a stability zone / downtrend. Just my opinion. Invest in MGM right now, not DraftKings. Wait till after earnings to look into DraftKings. But DraftKings is a good company to day trade because it's got good volume and it's very volatile. So, you know, when you get like 27, 35 million trades a day, volume wise, 90 million right there, you know, you can make money just, you know, playing the ups and downs. So I'm not saying DraftKings is a bad company to trade. You just have to scalp it on the ups and downs, make money that way. Yeah, holding shares, I mean, just Cuzman, don't say that. Really? It's okay. I think with the whole sports betting, it's gonna come back, but they're definitely at their IPO level. That's why I said MGM, because of this right here. Exactly, out of the hole, right here. Casinos are open. They're doing sports betting. 2021 is gonna blow 2020 out of the water. And their earnings are coming up next week as well. So watch for them to test 45, maybe break it. I like MGM a lot right now. Thursday morning, where were we? Cigna. It's a big jump right there from last year. And that's a big beat. Wow, beat down. BDX. What is BDX? Medical technology. New Jersey. Yeah, a few videos under my my profile. I did a gambling sector, so I talked about a bunch of gambling stocks, and I covered, you know, DraftKings, Caesar Palace, MGM, Penn, gambling, slot machines, stuff like that. And yeah, I said that DraftKings would fall under 20 when it was running at 32, and look what happened. Fell under 20. It's like, KULR for a long-term battery play. Never heard of it. Interested, but never heard of it. Ugly chart. Just up and down, up and down, up and down, right? Right? Up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, right? Y'all seeing that? March, look at that. Dividend coming up too. March 16th. March 18th. 2:30. Add that to the watch list. What is BAC? Bank of America? Banks bore me. What did you say? KULR or something like that? KULR. Okay, so I feel the pain of these battery companies, right? I mean, lithium ion battery safety solution. See, that's what I'm thinking. Like, lithium is out. I mean, it's in, but it will be out. So I'm not looking into lithium batteries anymore. I'm looking into like what South Korea is doing with solid state batteries. More efficient than lithium, and they don't have like the fire hazard of blowing up your vehicle or your Tesla. So
Hi, good
minutes
morning.
long.
Hi, this is Michael Mo from Coder Technology Group.
Solving major battery challenges.
Aerospace and defense applications. Our mission is to take these space-proven technologies,
battery safety,
customers, to make their batteries safer. The Coder Tech Battery Safe Case received, the Coder Battery
growth strategy,
close collaboration with regulatory agencies, technology, storage, and electric on protecting commercial batteries up to 2.1 kilowatt hour in energy capacity. With that work, we received the DOT special permits for one cell into thermal runaway with our ISC technology. So the propagation spread it out very quickly to the rest of the 3 cells from that one trigger cell. And this is called the thermal runaway propagation. These of 3 have about. Here's our Coder safe case with 120 21700 cells inside. So as our safe case prevent the cell-to-cell traffic screening.
Yeah, but look how big that is.
The DoD wireless 2 meter solidity 40 at our modular solution.
You're gonna put that like on the hood of your, like under your, in your trunk or something?
Mining, AI, and virtual reality simulation to address market needs. To scale up this, to scale up as a system provider technologies, it's the advanced the advanced technology.
Wow, it is dirt cheap. It is dirt cheap. So they did the same thing as many battery companies. They kind of... Let's see their financials. Yeah, I mean, until they really go public, you know, they're just building up debt, as well as, you know, with science and research and stuff like that, and, you know, investments, because, you know, 235 million market cap, you know, so exactly. And I really hope this fucking company can turn this downtrend around. 1 billion market cap, yeah. I'd look into Solid Power Inc. Phil, I think you'll like what you see from their investor videos. You should check them out. So what do we say, puts on BDX? I think so. Yeah, we did. Right? Yeah, we did. Okay. Alright, I ain't got much time left. Activision Blizzard just got bought out. Snap still in the negative. Their forecast is the same as last year, yet they ran like wildfire last year. FTNT. I can see a sell-off. FTNT. Or Fortinet. I can definitely see a sell-off happening. Something to like go back down to these levels. $2.5, $4.88. Yeah. Ford puts, huh? No, I don't think so. Fortinet puts, maybe. They just ran so good last year. I think they're overvalued. $246. I already have the 250 in my watch list. Okay. Yeah, we'll keep that. Keep that in our watch list. I definitely want to look into that, though. Maybe, yeah. What did they went down 18% today? Yep, I like what I'm seeing. I don't want to go any much further down. Hershey Company. Yum. Chocolate. Microchip technology. Stay hydrated out there. Bib Biogen. Has some news lately, but forecasted consensus from last year not looking so good. What is this number of ESTS? I wonder what that means. Alright, Blue Money, take it easy, man. I'll catch you later. Catch you tomorrow. Get ready for me to get some sleep too, but imagine having a company called Cummins, right? Unity. Why are they still in the red? I like Unity a lot. Unity software. Oof, oof, oof. Oof, 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 oof. Where are they gonna be making money? Are they gonna test this down here again? Yeah, then this is a perfect downtrend too. Yeah, not looking good for Unity. I like the company, but yeah, on paper, not looking so hot. If they need to break this right here. They need to break this. I mean, I could technically move this up to here. But that's just being generous. I'm gonna put it right there. Right there. Clorox. Why are they reporting so bad compared to last year? Skyworks. Perta Skyworks. Yeah, CLX. They ran like crazy in 2020. Okay. Alright. Almost time for me to get out of here. Just gonna look at it and see any tickers that really just pop out. Wind, right? Yeah, still pretty bad. Still negative, that's not good. Procore. Heard of them. BYD Boyd Gaming Corporation. That's a good jump right there. Okay, this will be my last one I'm gonna look at. BYD. Yeah, I like what they're doing right now. What is Vegas? Oh, so casinos and stuff too, right? I think I looked into them. Yeah. Okay. And they've stabilized with all this heavy hitting earlier, so let's see. BYD, Wood Gaming. Earnings are February 3rd after hours. 65. 65 in our watch list. Alright, what we got? ISPD. Interspeed. That's OTC, so not the NASDAQ. Or is that a L? LSPD. Lightspeed Commerce. What is it? Average volume 2.3 million. Market cap 4.8. 233 million. Okay, so they're at 4.8 billion. Okay, so yeah, their numbers don't look good. So what did they go from 26 to 35 in like 3 days? Yeah. This is definitely a momentum move right here. This stock is trading with momentum, and you know they're at their last low right here. So yeah, I can see a continuous downtrend, honestly. Their earnings are February 3rd too. I don't know. Not looking good for the company on paper at all. It's extremely volatile. So this is probably like just a momentum play. 30% out of the money. Wow, look at that. Yeah. All right, that's it for me. Yeah, don't play this. Extremely volatile. You can get crushed, IV crushed, going into earnings. I mean, it is Thursday after hours. You could do a lotto Thursday, cheap premiums. I'd play this to the downside though. If it did break right here, maybe test 40, then it bounced down, but I don't see it going over 40. Not with these numbers right here. All right, have a good night, y'all. Take it easy. Thanks for hanging out, and we'll catch you later. Peace.